1:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, date 7/30/2012. We have a weekly Dow Jones transportation. We trade the transports all the time. We have a very slow economy right now, but you can see, as slow as growth is, that these transports are still, some have missed their earnings, some have guided down. There's been quite a story in the transports and the earnings. That's on an individual basis that we trade some of these good stocks in that index. This is what the weekly looks like from this view. This was the bottom of the 2008 lows. Here is where that weekly diagonal trend line is coming into play. Back over here in 2003, we had, and I'm drawing that trend line because it's going to be the wall of resistance up in here. So I will go ahead right now, MMTs, just to let you know that with the earnings and the transports lead rallies, as I'm going to take this portion of the chart right here, going back to the 2010 lows and the 2011. See, what I really want is a 2011 lows. So let's start here. Bam, 4,200. Let's take a look at 2012. Even with growth being very horrible and the economy is tracting slightly, we all know that. We know that the Dow transports have a weekly resistance level. We had a great trade off of the 2011 lows, and we got straight up there to the peak, and right down we came, and we made the lows here. So all eyes on these transports. The earnings are out of the way. Listen, transports are a very important piece of the economy is what I can say and what people have been taught here. And transports lead bull rallies as well. I would like to let you look again, MMT, that you're slightly above the 10-week and the 20. It's caught in there, but look at here. That 50-week is that pink line. It's starting to point up in the 100-week. That's why we have that big bounce in the transports off that weekly 4,900. Just a major weekly support level down here, MMT. So that's at 4,900. That was also where this breakout happened. Okay? And that the wall of resistance remains right here across this level, no matter what. And that there's still a descending fashion because the earnings haven't been good. The economy is not good. Everyone's waiting on Ben Bernanke. Europe's in a mess. We all know. Okay, so what? What does matter is what are the key leadership in the transports, and we will highlight those individually at a different date. Once again, it's our calendar year update going in to the closing part of half of a quarter that we starting. But the thing about it is listen, that's a weekly reversal, okay? And transports have to continue to lead rallies. That is the update on the Dow Jones transports. It's a major thing that markets need to see, and it's had a rough go. It, at least it was given the market support. But then, listen, growth is not where it should be right now, calendar to date, for transportations. Major wall of resistance remains right here at this level. Okay? So, once again, that's our update, MMTs, and we'll continue to monitor and update the transports. Once again, it's our mid-year update at 7/30 calendar 2012. Weekly Dow Jones transportation.